Is that all bran yummy? You like the all bran? Ava's enjoying some cereal with me. Little all bran twigs. She goes nuts for them. Good girl. Don't worry, I only give her a few. That could be pretty bad. But what don't you eat? What don't you eat? Hey, look up here. Good girl. One more? Nuh-uh. Gentle. 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 Good girl. Yummy, yummy, all bran. Neva, is there something you need to tell me? You just like to eat everything. Okay. Look up here. Eva. Eva. Good girl.